Hello guys, this is Sukhuda Kutak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 28th and 29th September 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel Be EduCare Official, where regular exam updates and quiz is conducted. Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually attended the inaugural ceremony of the Bharat Ratna Lata Mangeshwar Chowk in Ayodhya. The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh inaugurated the Lata Mangeshwar Chowk in Ayodhya on the occasion of 93rd birth anniversary of the late singer. Government extends PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana scheme. The Union Cabinet has extended the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana scheme for another 3 months from October to December 2022. The Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Thakur said that 44,762 crore rupees will be spent over the next 3 months. The government of India has spent approximately rupees 3 lakh and 45,000 crores under the scheme. The President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated the integrated psychohygienic engine manufacturing facility of the Hindustan Aeronautics Limited at Bangalore and also laid down the foundation stone for the Zonal Institute of Virology in the South Zone. Labor and Employment Minister Bhupendra Yadav released a report on employment survey where employment increased from 3.14% crore of Q3 to 3.18 crore of Q4. In accordance with this report, the estimated total employment in the 9 non-farm sectors is 3.10 crore approximately, which is 2 lakhs higher than the estimated employment from the first round of QES. World Tourism Day was observed on 27th September, where the theme of the day was Rethinking Tourism. Sports Minister Anurag Thakur to launch Clean India 2.0 campaign. This program will be launched on 1st October 2022. The month-long nationwide program will be launched to collect the waste material, which is mainly single-use plastic, and create awareness amongst people. As per the government, 1 crore kilogram of waste material, including plastic and e-waste, will be collected and disposed with the support of the voluntary participation of the citizens. Clean India 2.0 program is being organized in all the villages across India through the network of Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan affiliated youth clubs and the National Service Scheme affiliated institutions. Prime Minister Modi to flag off new and upgraded version of the Vande Bharat Express. This will be done on 30th September 2022. The new Vande Bharat Express will operate between Gandhinagar capital and Mumbai Central. The train can attain a maximum speed of 160 kilometers per hour. It also aims to provide a new travel experience to the passengers. The Indian Railways has launched India's first indigenous semi-high-speed train, Vande Bharat Express, on February 15, 2019. Government appointed Lieutenant General Anil Chauhan, who is retired, as the Chief of the Defence Staff. Cabinet approved Memorandum of Understanding between India and Bangladesh on withdrawal of up to 153 cubics of water each by India and Bangladesh from the common border of the river Kushiara. Under this, India and Bangladesh will be able to withdraw up to 153 cossack of water each from the Kushiara during the dry season, November 1 to May 31st, for the consumptive water requirement. The MOU was signed on 6 September between the Ministry of Jal Shakti and Bangladesh's Ministry of Water Resources. World Green Economy Summit was held in Dubai. Dubai hosted this summit, which saw the participation of several leaders, experts, and specialists from all around the world in various areas related to the green economy and sustainable development. The summit to be jointly organized by the Dubai Electricity and the Water Authority and the World Green Economy Organization was to be held on September 28 and 29, 2022. Starting with the current affair quiz, the first question for the day is Government of India has banned which Indian Muslim political organization? The next question is FIFA has released a 3-episode series on life and career of which Indian football player? The next question is which state has been awarded as the Ayushman Utkrishta Award 2022? The next question is Pulampara, India's first digitally literate panchayat, is located in which of the following state? The next question is what is PMGKAY, which has been recently extended till December 2022? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving the correct answers will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. Coming to the answers asked in the previous video, the first question was, as per the sample registration system SRS report, which state has the lowest sex ratio in India in the year 2018 to 20? The correct answer is Uttarakhand. The next question was, which state has created a memorial for the rhinos using ashes named as Adobe of the Unicorn? The correct answer is the state of Assam. Next is, when is the World Tourism Day observed? The correct answer is September 27. Don't forget, guys, to put the regular answers where EduCARE is conducting a weekly current affair quiz contest. All you have to do is regularly answer the questions which are asked in the daily current affair quiz, and you will get an opportunity to win an Amazon voucher worth rupees 100. So shout out to Neha, Priya, Computer Man for giving the correct answers in the previous video. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channel and share this video with your other friends also. For classroom, live class, recorded lecture, books and ebooks facilities, please contact on the number which you can see on your screens. For more information on exam and also for more such MCQs, please download the app from the link which is given in the description box below.